Most people think Amazon Flex is just about opening the app and grabbing blocks instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. If you are not getting blocks in 2026, it is usually not luck. It is either your settings, your timing, or how the system is ranking your activity. In this video, you will learn exactly why you are not seeing Amazon Flex blocks, and how to fix it step by step so you can start getting more delivery offers consistently. This matters because without blocks, you are basically losing earning hours every single day. Let's start with the biggest issue right away. Amazon Flex does not show blocks equally to everyone. The system prioritizes drivers who are active, reliable, and fast to accept offers. So if you are refreshing late or missing good time windows, you are already behind others like Jake or Alex, who are tapping faster and more consistently. Now here's where most people fail. They only check the app randomly during the day. That does not work. Block drops usually happen at specific times based on your city. In most areas, early morning and late evening are the strongest windows. If you are not checking during those peaks, you will feel like nothing is available, even when blocks are dropping. But here's the problem many users ignore. Your app performance matters. If you cancel too many blocks or miss reserved offers, the system can quietly reduce your priority. You will not get a warning. You will just see fewer offers. That is why consistency is more important than chasing every single block. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your internet speed and device also matter more than people think. If your connection is slow, you may see blocks late or miss them entirely. A simple fix is switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data when refreshing, especially during peak drop times. Another important fix is location accuracy. Make sure your GPS is always on, and your app permissions are set correctly. If Amazon cannot verify your location properly, you may get fewer relevant offers. Also, try staying active in the app even when you are not working. Open it regularly, refresh often during peak hours, and keep notifications turned on. The system tends to favor drivers who are consistently engaged. In a minute, here's a simple strategy most drivers miss. Try scheduling your availability mentally around peak drop times instead of random checking. This alone can increase your chances of seeing blocks significantly. To summarize, not getting Amazon Flex blocks is usually caused by timing issues, low activity priority, poor app habits, or connectivity problems. Fix these step by step and your chances of getting consistent blocks improve quickly. If this helped you understand what is really going on with your Amazon Flex account, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns like this.